Hi, this is the elevator at JCPenney at the mall in Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. This is an MEI. And it is here. Let's go to 2. There we go. Nice indicator. Here we are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. Doors are not that great. Let's get a cat view. It's pretty identical to the one at JCPenney at Polaris Fashion Place. Here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 2. There you go. Here are 2. Go back down to 1. £35 capacity. Thing's not that great. And we are at 1. Let's watch it close. And that's it.